video once again. Kunting ko na nga takswa tungi gatal video na. And today we are going to natural swimming pool to Makruwat Nongnah. And today we've got new face here. You can see Manalari. Her name is Larry, and she's one of our friend. And here's the old face.
Hello guys.
I believe
Welcome back to
this is another new face. He's my brother. Yeah, you could see. Seems I saw. We started our journey from 8:30 from Shillong.
7 o'clock. There is a program. 7 o'clock start.
Yeah.
I started my journey at 7 o'clock.
He started his journey at 7 a.m.
Hi,
old face. That was like 2 minutes. Here's our old face. Our old face. You can see. You can make it out with the old face here. We are carrying food. New face. Old face. Old face. Old face.
We have made an agreement that oh bro, who got me smiling like that? It's so like I was asking. Oh yeah. Whoa, madam. Yeah.
Hello guys, we have reached here at around what's time now? Let's check. 12:50. We have reached here around 12:50. So here we'll start from here. Trekking 1 hour 30 minutes. Are you ready, Larry?
Yes, I am very ready.
Yeah. Look at the view, it's beautiful. Yeah, we need to have trekking karena abah tenginok and radio ingahan right now. No. Huh? Carry your own required belongings.
Dancing in the shower, singing in the rain.
Here we are finally. Just 5 of us. Yeah. Look at this. We have to go down, right?
That is the one.
Oh yes. It's not that far. That yet?
Near Plateau.
Oh, not much, but I think it's not the Bunchi season. Control WM.
Karena minute kasi nandito na fish.
10 minutes?
10 minutes?
Oh, really? And there is no waterfalls. Need to be careful. Are you guys ready? Okay. And Kong said it will take just 5 minutes to be down there. Yes. And no falls today. Yeah. Hello then. Let's go, boys. The girls are already waiting there. Usually the girls used to be late, but here you can see the boys are late. Oh, we must take a picture here. It's looking so nice with Konya. Okay, we have started our trekking. Yes, ekta baje. So, okay, there's a stairs, no?
It's not as expected as it was like a wild track, you know.
So this is wild. watching off season it was I had any waterfalls watching but then the rainy season of the women just she my son. Wow, biapsla. I love these palm trees. Why there is no water, Felix? Could you explain us?
Because this is already winter, and then monsoon is over.
Okay.
And so by monsoon comes, we will see down there, water will fall. The reality.
It's different.
The reality of
Sadly, yes. Since we've worked here, so let's enjoy.
Like this, no, remember, something is down here. To Malta, they have.
Oh!
You roll and it's how you roll. Go. You're not even swing your hand.
yeah. Wait, I'll just.
Oh, looks good, you know? Gotta.
That's right.
In a pool.
वो जगह से फोटो खींचने जाता है.
I'm already having a full extra. It seems everyone's enjoying. We're leaving. Bye. It was so content. Yeah. Đi chạy nghe xuyên chạy đó từ ngày bị ăn lên Shillong. Ở kia bơ bơ yes, nice. Cool. You're fine, not tired? Nope. It's fun. It's fun.
It's because I'm not doing
Nongnah! It was fun!
Not an easy
very difficult part of trekking, man. I hate it.
I did it from outside. Let's give our bags first.